Bamboo grass, a name that conjures images of lush, emerald green fields swaying under the breeze. But what if I told you that bamboo grass is not just beautiful, but also a gold mine for smart farmers and entrepreneurs? Welcome to a world where eco-friendly farming meets sustainable profit. Today, we're diving deep into how you can make money with bamboo grass, sharing the most effective tips, tricks, and farming secrets, all brought to you by Smart Agri Hub. Let's begin with the basics. Bamboo grass, often referred to as dwarf bamboo or perennial bamboo, is a fast-growing plant known for its resilience and versatility. It thrives in diverse climates, requires minimal maintenance, and can be harvested multiple times a year. But beyond its natural beauty, bamboo grass is a powerhouse crop with a booming demand in markets ranging from construction and handicrafts to food, textiles, and bioenergy. In short, it's a smart agri-investment with real potential for profit. So how do you get started? First, selecting the right variety is crucial. Bamboo grass comes in several species, but for maximum yield and commercial value, opt for varieties such as Bambusa vulgaris, Philostachys edulis, or Dendrocalamus asper. These types are known for their rapid growth, high biomass output, and multiple applications. Always source your seeds or saplings from reputable nurseries to ensure healthy, disease-free plants. Next, let's talk about land preparation. Bamboo grass is highly adaptable, but it thrives best in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Begin by clearing the land and tilling the soil to a depth of at least 30 centimeters. Add compost or manure to enrich the ground. If your soil is acidic, consider adding lime to balance the pH. Bamboo grass prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH ranging from 5.5 to 7.5. Planting is straightforward. You can start with seeds, cuttings, or young saplings. Space them about 1 to 2 meters apart, allowing enough room for the clumps to expand. Water generously after planting, but avoid waterlogging as bamboo grass dislikes soggy roots. For best results, plant during the rainy season or early spring, giving your crop a head start with natural moisture. Now, let's unlock the secrets of bamboo grass maintenance. Unlike many other crops, bamboo grass is remarkably low maintenance. It's resistant to most pests and diseases, and once established, it requires minimal care. However, regular weeding during the first year is essential to prevent competition for nutrients. Mulching with dry leaves or straw helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. For maximum growth, fertilize twice a year with organic compost or a balanced NPK fertilizer. One of the biggest advantages of bamboo grass is its rapid growth. Most varieties reach maturity in 3 to 5 years, and you can harvest shoots and leaves annually. The harvesting technique depends on your market. For shoots destined for culinary use, cut them young and tender. For industrial purposes, wait until the stalks are fully matured. Always use sharp tools to avoid damaging the plant base, ensuring regrowth for future harvests. Let's pivot to the money-making side. How do you turn bamboo grass into cash? The possibilities are extensive. Fresh shoots are a delicacy in Asian cuisine, fetching high prices in local and international markets. Mature stalks are in demand for furniture, construction, and handicrafts. Even the leaves have commercial value, used in livestock feed, mulch, and organic compost production. But here's a pro tip. Don't limit yourself to raw sales. Value addition is the secret to boosting profits. Consider processing bamboo grass into products such as bamboo charcoal, toothpicks, mats, or even biofuel. These items command premium prices and tap into growing eco-conscious markets. With a small investment in processing equipment, your farm can become a mini factory, multiplying your revenue streams. Marketing is another key to success. Build relationships with local vendors, restaurants, and craft stores. Attend agricultural fairs to showcase your products. Create an online presence through social media, sharing the story of your farm and the benefits of bamboo grass. Eco-friendly and sustainable agriculture is trending. Use this to your advantage. Highlight the environmental benefits. Bamboo grass absorbs carbon dioxide, prevents soil erosion, and restores degraded land. Let's not forget export opportunities. Many countries are eager to import bamboo products due to their sustainable appeal. Research export regulations and quality standards, and partner with export agencies or cooperatives. With the right paperwork and packaging, your bamboo grass can reach global markets, unlocking even greater profits. Now, for some advanced farming secrets. Intercropping is a technique savvy farmers use to maximize land productivity. Plant bamboo grass alongside crops like ginger, turmeric, or legumes. These plants thrive in the shade and improve soil health, boosting overall yield and diversity. Drip irrigation is another game changer, delivering water directly to the roots and conserving resources. Pest and disease management is simple but essential. While bamboo grass is naturally resilient, monitor for signs of fungal infections or root rot. Avoid overwatering and ensure good drainage. If pests appear, use organic solutions like neem oil or introduce beneficial insects to keep populations in check. Scaling up your operation is the next step towards serious income. Expand your acreage, hire skilled workers, and invest in machinery for harvesting and processing. Consider forming a farmers' cooperative to pool resources, share knowledge, and negotiate better prices with buyers. Let's talk numbers. On average, a well-managed bamboo grass farm can yield up to 30 tons of biomass per hectare annually. With current market prices, this translates into impressive revenue, especially when you diversify into value-added products. Keep meticulous records of your expenses, yields, and sales to track profitability and identify areas for improvement. Sustainability is at the heart of bamboo grass farming. Unlike timber, bamboo grass regenerates quickly after harvesting, making it a renewable resource. It improves soil fertility and provides habitat for wildlife, enhancing biodiversity on your land. Smart Agri Hub recommends integrating bamboo grass into agroforestry systems, combining it with trees, shrubs, and other crops for maximum ecological and economic benefit. Education is power. Stay updated with the latest research and techniques by joining agricultural forums, attending workshops, and networking with fellow farmers. Subscribe to trusted agri channels and newsletters. The more you learn, the more you earn. Before we wrap up, let's recap the essential steps for making money with bamboo grass. Choose the right variety and prepare your soil carefully. Plant at the optimal time and maintain your crop with weeding, mulching, and fertilizing. Harvest strategically based on market demand and always explore value addition for higher profits. Market your products creatively and consider export opportunities for global reach. Embrace sustainable practices and continual learning to ensure long-term success. With bamboo grass, you're not just farming, you're building a future that's green, profitable, and sustainable. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a newcomer to smart agriculture, the opportunities are endless. Start small, dream big, and let bamboo grass transform your land into a thriving source of income. Thank you for joining us on this journey into bamboo grass farming. If you found these tips and secrets helpful, keep exploring, keep growing, and unlock the full potential of sustainable agriculture with Smart Agri Hub.